Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another hair related video, but I am going to be unboxing and testing out and giving a review of this INGLAM MegaAIR styler. I'm super excited about this. This just came in the mail yesterday. So we're gonna unbox it, go over all its benefits, and then I'm going to give a demo as well. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to find out more about the INGLAM MegaAIR styler, then just keep watching. I'm actually familiar with INGLAM. I have an INGLAM high-speed hairdryer. I did a video on this, I wanna say, back in the beginning of the year. And the dryers are great because they dry your hair significantly faster than a regular hair dryer, and they are healthier for your hair. They reduce frizz and damage from the heat. Also, they are very comparable to the Dyson, but they are a fraction of the price. Dysons can be upwards of $400, and these ones are a fraction of the price, super affordable, and they do the same thing. They dry your hair very quickly. So that's what I love about them. So I love my INGLAM hairdryer. So they came out with the 4-in-1, which has all the different attachments. I'm sure you've seen other brands, Dysons, of people using the dryers with all the different attachments. So I'm super excited about this one. I wore my hair super straight to test it out. Obviously, you can use these attachments when your hair is wet, but I'm going to unbox this first, then read a little bit about it before we get into the demo. This is what the beautiful box looks like that just came in the mail yesterday. It's a pretty heavy box, but we've got a lot of things inside this. And then upon opening the box, we have some very nice tissue paper on top. This is INGLAM. I love it. And then this is what the MegaAIR hair styler looks like. So we have 4 attachments. We've got the blow dryer, the regular dryer attachment right here. We've got the curling attachment right here. We've got the brush or the straightening brush right here. And then we have the curling brush, which I love that they include this as well, especially for drying. And I will say, here, let me take some of these attachments out first just to show them to you. This attachment in particular, I'm really excited about because many of you guys are probably familiar with the Revlon, what is it, whatever the Revlon 2-step or 1-step hair dryer, whatever the heck it is, the one with the brush. Mine has completely just stopped working at this point. I love this because the brush literally looks like one of my round brushes. It's a lot thinner than the Revlon styler, and I don't know, I just like it. I just think this is going to be easier to dry my hair with. So yeah, I'm really excited about this round brush attachment. Very excited about this, especially for drying. And then next we will show you the regular brush attachment right here. Next, this is going to be the, if I can get it out of the box, this is going to be the original attachment, which I'm gonna place on the dryer in a second, but this is just gonna be the original attachment that goes on the dryer. And then last but not least, this is going to be the curling attachment. And then now that I took all the attachments out and that top layer, here is the actual dryer, which I'm gonna install the attachment in a second. But this is what I forgot about when I did the last INGLAM video, is they include a really nice case. For the dryer they did, and for this they did. Oh my goodness, hold on you guys, I'm getting even more excited. I thought the case was empty, but let's see what's in the case. So this is what the case looks like, that you can just put everything in. So this is great for storage, great for travel. And then upon opening the case, they include, let's see, they include 2 clips for sectioning off your hair, and they say INGLAM on it. I love it. They include an INGLAM brush for kind of sectioning off your hair as well. And then they have the instruction manual right here. They have a little warranty. So it says 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason and 1-year warranty for quality-related issues. So that is really nice. So they include those as well. And then they include a glove in case you just don't want your hand to get that hot which I probably really should use, to be honest with you guys, especially when I'm using curling irons. Can't tell you how many times I burnt my hand, or yeah. So they include a nice little glove as well. They also include an extra curler, but then upon looking at the top, this one says L, this one says R, so it's what direction. So I'm assuming that the left, it's going to curl it this way. Actually, no, hold on. So the arrows are going this way, so I would use, depending on which way you curl your hair, typically I like to curl my hair outwards on each side. So this one, I'm gonna follow the arrows. I would use this attachment for this side, this attachment for this side, and then I'm assuming that this right here is going to be to clean anything, like clean out any hair or anything that most likely gets in like the bottom here. That's what I think this is for. I could totally be wrong, but oh, and also it's probably to comb the hair out. That's so cool. They include a comb to get all the hair out of this. Like super, super cool, you guys. Very impressed, because I can't tell you how many times, especially with these, I'm just like kind of pulling the hair out. So this is going to make life super easy. So I do like that they include this. So this is all included along with the case. Okay, so before we get into the demo, I just want to read a little bit about the MegaAIR styler. So this styler is going to give you 6 times more the dry time than a regular styling tool or hair dryer. So it says reduce your styling time in half for ultra fast drying with no heat damage, which for me, being a blonde, I've explained in like almost every hair related video at this point, like that's great. So, and I'm not really sure how that works, but that's great. It says innovation for a remarkable styling experience. It says auto absorption curling. Powerful airflow blows out from the curler attachment right here, continuously forming a clockwise surrounding airflow around the curler. Again, it just depends on which way you want the curler to go. It says it creates voluminous, smooth, and natural curls without extreme heating. So that's nice. It has 1 cold air setting, 2 temperature settings, and 3 wind speed settings, which I'll get to. And it says the temperature control allows you to choose the optimum one to fit your hair type. And it also says that it has 110,000 RPM brushless motor, up to 17 miles per second wind speed, which is powerful. It's just great all around. So now let's get into the demo. And then it also has 3 temperature settings, and it also has 3 speed settings as well. It just depends on what you're looking for. Quickly, I'm just gonna turn it on just to show you how it lights up. So I'm gonna turn it on. It might be a little loud, but definitely not as loud as my normal hair dryers. It's not that bad, you guys. So as you can see, this is gonna be the airflow. And then this is going to be, you see the lights going different colors. That's going to be the temperature. So I'm going to quickly turn it off, and now what I want to do is put a different attachment on. So this attachment is kind of like the smoothing one, so I just want to test it out and see what happens. So I'm going to turn this on, and we're going to go to high. I just kind of want to test it out. Feels really nice. I really like it. Just for kind of like smoothing out the hair. I feel like it looks a lot smoother already, and I just did a couple passes. But the real test, I want to see, and again, my hair is straight, but I want to see if we can get my dry hair to curl. I will, you know, test this out on wet hair as well, but since we're just doing an unboxing video, my hair is not obviously wet. So we're gonna pop this attachment on. Let me see, I gotta line. Oh, and that's the other thing with these attachments, you guys, you gotta line up the arrows. So that's what I wasn't doing. So you gotta line up the arrows, and it snaps right on. So I just read through the instruction manual, and this side, the arrows are going this way, and I'm gonna use it on this side, so it makes sense because it's the way that the airflow is gonna curl the curl. So basically, once you like put the hair on it, it's gonna automatically like absorb it and curl it. So we're gonna just do this little strand right here and test it out. But I will say, if your hair's damp, which this is meant for, it's gonna curl better. But I'm just testing this out on dry hair. I'm gonna turn this on, and we're gonna just kind of wrap this around and let it absorb the curl. Do you see how it's absorbing the curl? And it's like curling it itself. I'm gonna turn it a little bit more. Just move that piece of hair. Yeah, see how it's like wrapping itself? I'm not doing that. So that's really cool. That's like that auto absorption with the curl that it's talking about. Let it sit for a second just to see how well it tests out this dry hair. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. Hold on. I'm gonna turn it off. And do you guys see that? On straight hair. That's crazy. Even though it's meant for, you know, damp hair. But that's like super cool, you guys. I can't wait to use this when I get out of the shower. That's actually like a really nice loose wave, to be honest with you. I just want to go in and do it like one more time. So we're going to go back in and we're just going to let it cling. Whoa. Look, see, there we go. I think I got it better this time around. Did you see how it just clung right away to it and curled it yourself? And honestly, if you have like wrist pain from curling your hair, this is doing it for you. So it's kind of cool. Turn this off and we'll let it like come down in a beautiful little curl. So you guys are seeing this firsthand, how this works. Super excited about this. Can't wait to use this actually when my hair is damp or wet. I'm gonna be using this attachment first, just to kind of make it so it's, you know, damp instead of soaking wet. And then I'll probably go in with this attachment, and then if I want to end up curling, I can. So if you guys are interested in the INGLAM MegaAIR Styler, I will have it linked down below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried anything like this, if you're thinking of trying this out. Again, I'm super excited, especially when my hair, I think I'm going to be washing my hair in 2 days. Can't wait to test this out when my hair is damp, because again, like you saw the power of it, how it just curled my hair straight, but when it's damp, it's going to just, the curl's going to last even longer. So I'm super excited to try this out. But let me know. I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.